So today I'm looking at the Litogo solar LED string lights. And we've got the solar panels. They're both connected with a wire. Everything is hardwired together, so you've got this nice length of wire if you want to put the solar panel in one spot and the light somewhere else, so that way you get the best charging. You can do that. It's got these little angled brackets, so you can get the best angle for the charger, and then these stakes to push it into the ground. It's got some buttons on the front. This is power, mode, and then indicators. There's charging and lighting. So all we have to do to attach the bracket is slide it on, just like that, and then have it at a slight angle, usually facing the south. That way it gets the most sun. Now with these tiny spikes, sometimes you can just shove them straight in. Looks like that's going to be mostly the case for me, although I am using the hardest Las Vegas soil, so sometimes you just got to give it a little bit extra. And south is that way. Might be a little bit extreme. Give it a little less. There we go. And now we just have to let it charge for about a day, and then we can come back and see how it looks. So I've got one of these with the LED strung all the way around my entire patio, and the other one's still here. So even with just one of these, you can get quite a bit of distance. It went all the way across and all the way back, and that was just with this one right here. So there's different modes. I'm going to swap this one.